Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this fun half up zigzag braid. And I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how to create a good part line. So the first thing you want to do is get your comb out, and you're going to hold the hair down and you're just going to start making lines going back in a zigzag pattern. Now, you don't always do the right line every time. Sometimes you have to go back in and redo it. That's okay. And sometimes I see a line that I look at and I say, oh, that's not, the same distance from the other one. And I just redo it. So you just want to hold that hair in your hand and create your parts, and then check it. If you need to fix it, go back. Just try not to get frustrated on it, because it's just one of those things you got to take your time with. Then when you get to the back of the hair, I'm just going to create an arrow shape going down the back. And then I'm going to take that hair, once I get all my parts done, and put it in a clip. And then I'm just going to do 2 ponytails on either side of my daughter's hair. And I put them in elastics. That way, when I'm braiding, I don't get any of that hair in my braid. So you want something that's hold in place. Then with the hair on top, I'm just going to brush it out, add a little bit of water and a little bit of spray gel. Next, I'm going to start up top making a Dutch braid. So I'm going to put the hair in 3 pieces, and I'm going to take the hair, putting the pieces on the end underneath the middle section. Then I'm going to use my comb to take small pieces and add it underneath my braid. Now, since you already have that hair pulled back in place, you should be able to pick up that hair easily, but make sure that you're just picking up the hair that you sectioned off. So I'm going to start by grabbing hair, smoothing it out, and adding it underneath. Then go to your other side, put your hair underneath, and keep adding your hair underneath on either side. Now this is one of my classic Dutch braids that I'm doing here. I have several videos on my channel on how to do a Dutch braid, and I will link one right here for you if you need to see more detailed on doing a Dutch braid. So I am just going to go back until I get all the remaining hair that I sectioned off into my braid. And then once I get all the hair added in, I'm just going to braid down a couple of stitches. Next, I'm going to take a brown elastic and I'm going to tie it off. If you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe, because I post new tutorials every Wednesday and Saturday, and I don't want you to miss any of them. From there, I'm going to take out either side of my daughter's hair. Now, you could leave it just like this, but I decided that I was going to add some curls because she's going to a special event. So the way I like to curl is in sections. So I put up half of her hair, and I'm just going to use my 1.5 inch Hot Tools curling iron, which you can find in the description box below. If you just click in the description box, there's a link that says products I use. And I'm also adding a little bit of hairspray to it, and I'm just rolling it up, holding it for a few seconds, and pulling it out. The other thing I like to do when I'm curling is I like to curl away from her face. So when I'm on the right side, the curls are going towards the back, and on the left side, the same thing. So now I'm just going to do the top section, and I'm going to get a couple of the pieces that are in that ponytail. If you guys like this style and want me to do more like this, please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate all your support. And if there's any other styles that you guys want me to do, leave me a comment below and I'd be happy to do them. Once all the curls have had time to curl down, I just gently loosen them up and add a little bit of additional hairspray, and that's it. I love how this half up style turned out. We got so many compliments on it, and I hope you guys have fun recreating it. And make sure to hit that picture of my girls right there to subscribe to our channel, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.